Welcome back, Poverts. We're here doing our fourth attempt on a geocache, our first geocache. First two duds. Third one didn't exist.
Not real.
So we're here at Sunfish Lake Park in Ramsey. It's quite cute.
Yeah. Duck.
Stunning out here, though.
Very pretty.
Alright, let's find that motherfucking geocache. I think we'll be able to get this one. Let's manifest it. Not really rats, they're muskrats. So...
Well, they're natural engineers.
And they got home wet home. Changing my girl's contact for that.
Oh. I think I found it.
Is that it?
What's the map say?
Says we're not quite there yet. I think that's not... I think that just says hi. Please be careful about poison ivy.
Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything in there. There's just a nightlight and a couple rubber ducks.
Oh.
And a sign that says hi.
Cute.
Okay. Not the cache, but something. Ooh, a placard about the scientific method.
Oh my gosh.
Metal detector.
Oh, is that what he was doing?
Yeah.
I thought he was picking up trash.
I thought so too.
It says it's here.
Oh. It's like that way?
Somewhere. Hey, what is that word?
Eutrophication.
Eutrophication. Looks like it's down here somewhere.
Oh my lord.
I don't see it. Are we blind and stupid and dumb? Mr. Geocache. Do you think we can go around?
I think it's worth a look. Seems like it might be easier if we get in over this way.
On that way? Alright.
Last try.
I don't know if this is easier. Yeah, there's no fucking way.
Oh!
Did you find it?
I think I see it. Fuck that, dude. This sucks.
Oh, okay, let's go. Ah. How do you... Am I stupid? Oh, hello, spider.
Oh, just a little fella.
He's just a little guy. Okay, well that's not how you do that.
Yeah. You just pull back.
We're in.
Jesus Christ.
There's a couple pencils in here. Logbook, Hudson moved. Wow. Here we go. the date? The 3rd?
Yeah. Pretty sure. Yes.
We did it.
There we go.
Oh, I was gonna bring, like all my Japanese coins to leave.
Oh, dang.
I usually leave stuff in here. I don't think I have anything in my pockets.
Nope. Oh, actually, I got something I can sacrifice.
Because what do we have in here? We have an Anna and Elsa's little thing. And just a random sticker. What do we got? Official man card. Real men wear kilts. Okay. That's going in the geocache.
So we were actually pretty close where we were.
Yeah. Okay, am I doing this wrong? Oh. There we go.
There we are.
Okay, we did it. First geocache. We're just gonna get out of here. We did it.
There we go.
Robert's successful geocache.
First cache.
On
Here's
either side?
On either that, and then not really rat.
Oh, and you'll point to not really rats?
Yeah.
Oh, we freaking did it. Well, how do you feel about your first successful geocache?
It was a lot of fun, actually.
Yeah? You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah. Good way to get out into, like, nature and places that I've never been and never really would have thought to go to.
Right.
So, yeah, it was fun.
Well, Poverts. That's our wrap on our first official geocache. Thanks for joining us. Hopefully you'll see us again for more geocaching soon.
Call your mom.
Yeah.
Go to bed.
Go to bed. Call your mom. Watch your face. Close your eyes. Fall asleep. Bye.